Today you'll be wondering why am I inside my S-Class doing this advertisement. There's an app I just released. This app is amazing. This app tells a story. It tells the story of my first online battle, small battle, and as an Igbo entrepreneur, I had to convert it to business, and that's why I'm releasing a new product called Rattel. What is Rattel? Rattel is an app that allows you purchase gift card only. So due to this situation of that time where they were talking about my prices being very high, I had to introduce Rattel app to sell cheap gift card. When I mean cheap gift card, you can get this price anywhere around the world, and you can also fund via crypto or naira. Rattel app will be released today. Go to the Apple Store, Play Store, download the Rattel app, go to our social media, search Rattel, and follow our social media handles. This is Big Love from B Lord. Come, let me continue.
Alright, so yesterday all over the internet, I'm sure you people saw it, that B Lord have trademarked Rattel, and he has even opened an app with Rattel. I even saw this post where he said, I have directed my son to issue cease and desist to VDM to stop using my brand name Rattel. He will have to get approval from me henceforth before using that name Rattel. Linus Williams, CEO, founder Rattel Group. But this morning as I woke up, I saw this post where he said, I woke up to a flood of calls from the highest echelon, top men across the country, powerful figure, pleading on behalf of VDM. They came groveling, asking me to show mercy and let him use Rattel brand name. After due consideration, I have decided to withdraw the cease and desist order. Notice fans must address me now as their CEO moving forward. Linus Williams, CEO, founder Rattel Group. Artists. You guys have seen it now. Throughout yesterday, different comment section on Twitter, everywhere. You think you can try Igbo, you think you can try Igbo. Igbos will humble you, you won't follow Igbo fights, you think you can fight Igbos. I need to say this again. There was never a time where I was fighting Igbo as a tribe. I never fought Igbos. I am not a tribalistic person. I don't like tribalism. But for some reason, you people just decided to put tribe in all of this just to fight me, you know. I mean, I'm from Edo State. I grew up in the north, you know. When it comes to population, the north have more population, you know. I'm not a stupid person. I can also instigate, but of course we preach togetherness and love, so we cannot do tribalism or try to instigate, you know. So please, dear Igbos, Very Dark Man is not fighting you. As a matter of fact, anything that has to do with the Igbos that is wrong or negative, I talk against it, you know. So anyways, as for B Lord, I really appreciate you for considering to let me use the Rattel again. To all the people that called B Lord from the upper echelon, I want to say God will bless you, you understand, and God will preserve you. So, you know, now I need to ask for permission.
Good day, sir. Viewers, as you are watching this program now, make sure you click on the like button, drop your comment, and also share this program to others. Subscribe if you are watching for the first time. Bad economy under Tinubu, could it lead to face-off or war over businesses between VDM and B Lord?
Well, a lot of Nigerians want to wonder what is actually going on now, as the Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has just returned from his 50th trip outside the country. This is making the 50th time the president has traveled out of the country. Let me give you an inside analysis of Bola Ahmed Tinubu's trip so far between 2023 till 2025. He has traveled 15 good times to foreign trip, 10 times into France, and the remaining ones were just normal trip anywhere in the world. So if you look at it very well, Mr. President has traveled close to 55 times as president of Nigeria in less than 2 years. He is back to meet the crisis rocking the Retel. When you talk about Retel, they say Retel is an animal. Rattel is what and what. But you know, unfortunately, we are seeing this thing breeding up. Bola Ahmed Tinubu has just entered the country. VDM and B-Lord did not allow Mr. President to have his rest. Somebody that has just come into the country, they are now bringing trouble again. Anyway, this has started not quite long ago, when a very dark man, so to say, challenged, you know, the sincerity and the integrity in B-Lord's business prowess, stating clearly that there are a lot of fraudulent activities attached to the way B-Lord was actually doing his business. But Nigeria did not know, as at that time when that man was making that statement, Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was not around. Anytime Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not around, they will bring trouble. And the man comes back now to meet trouble again. What is actually happening now is going to shock so many Nigerians. The internet space has actually been divided, but we must understand that it has come to that point when people begin to talk about the reality. Yes, very dark man, targeted, made some statements, either with proof or not, against B-Lord. He said, B-Lord, I think the bottom line of the whole thing is that B-Lord he gets phone from anywhere abroad, you know, then come back and you know, sell it on prices that Nigerians can never afford. And therefore, I'm going to teach him a lesson. I'm going to bring him down. I'm going to bring his business down. He cannot survive the same business with me on the same line. And that was how very dark man went to, of course, China or wherever he went to, you know, and initiated a business process just to make sure that at the end of the day, he outsmart a hardcore. I would not say hardcore. That B-Lord is actually a hardcore businessman. Would I use the word hardcore, or just a normal business guy, you know, that trying to see how he survives? But VDM brought a lot of allegations. And he's not saying that he's not attacking the Igbos. That he's only attacking B-Lord, not the entire Igbo race. And B-Lord looked at him and said, what is my offense? He said, you are not helping the economy of Nigeria. But Bola Ahmed Tinubu is there as Mr. President, who is supposed to help the Nigerian economy, who is supposed to regulate whatever goes out and whatever comes in. Not B-Lord. The very dark man now blame the collapse of the entire economy on B-Lord. And B-Lord said, well, if you are trying to come into that circle, whether you like it or not, you are going to face what makes an Igbo man. I wouldn't use the word intellectual. I wouldn't use the word ingenuity. No, I wouldn't use the word. What makes an Igbo man master of the business economy?
Viewers, if you are still watching now, click on the like button, drop your comment and share this program to others.
So the most surprising thing to so many Nigerians now, you need to know very clearly, is that fortunately or unfortunately, it looks like what people are saying about VDM now is that B-Lord has outsmarted him.
B-Lord outsmarted him.
Yes. He says B-Lord is a small boy from where VDM is. Before B-Lord came into popularity, so to say, B-Lord is well known. But the kind of guy that keep his cool. We don't know how they managed to come up with a Retel. I think that's the problem now. This man now has gone officially and bought the entire Rattel to his pocket, having direct engagement now with the government. Discovering this, very dark man now ran to seek how he's going to recover the brand called Retel back to himself. That is the war now. And when this thing was breeding, fortunately, unfortunately, Mr. President just walked into the country.
Viewers, if you are still watching, like and share. Are you now saying there are no Igbo leaders that can settle this for them?
It is not a matter about, but he came and challenged, VDM came and challenged that he will take over Igbo businesses anywhere around the world. VDM, he threatened to take over the entire business. Now, we are waiting to see your keke. Nigerians are waiting to see your iPhone, Pro Max, whatever you call it, whatever you can bring into the country. It's a free world. You can go and do your business without involving anybody. Of course. Where you buy your own might be different from where I buy my own. How you negotiate might be different from how I negotiate. You don't know where I go to, you don't know the logistics is involved. And the guy now looked at VDM, very dark man. B-Lord, look at him, very dark man. He now ambushing. Today, B-Lord has shot out very dark man from Rattel. Not only that, Rattel has become an app. Hey, what are these sorts? Rattel finally turned to app making machine for B-Lord with a projected income of 500 million in 6 months. I don't know how very dark man is going to survive it. Yes, he said he know how to handle it. After all, B-Lord is a very small boy. I senior him in age. What does he know? I'm richer than B-Lord. I don't know what to do at the end of the day. And there was one other woman, as you can watch on this video, saying that B-Lord must drop the name Rattel. But unfortunately, government has trademarked the name in favor of B-Lord. I don't think that very dark man actually saw this thing coming. If I had seen it coming, maybe he would have acted fast. Or possibly, Rattel is a non-profit making organization, an NGO. B-Lord need to come clear and tell Nigerians what Rattel is all about. It's all about youth. What is it all about? Is it about youth employment or cleaning gutters on daily basis? What is Rattel all about? If it's an NGO, it just means it is not a profit-making organization. Therefore, we are going to see the battle line is already out there in the public.
Okay, against one is against all. Now that VDM is against this man B-Lord, are we expecting all Igbo businessmen to rise against VDM?
No, I think he started threatening. I think he's trying to recover himself. But that man is trying to recover himself, to be honest. Initially, he was threatening the entire Igbo business. If it is only VDM, he wouldn't be talking about keke, he wouldn't be talking about korobe in China, he wouldn't be talking about phone. It will be everything. You understand? You want to import everything, you want to stop people from doing their business and all that. But you have not been able to defeat B-Lord. Talking of defeating the entire, structures. You think it's only in Nigeria? By the time you go outside, you go to Ghana, you go to Kenya, you go to Nairobi, Zambia, Congo, just name it anywhere in the world. If you're able to take over those places business-wise, then you can be able to know that you have successfully dismantled years of hard work of Igbo businessmen here and there. I don't think that Billon is a product of the Nigerian government. This is a man who suddenly discovered himself. And divinity came upon Billon. And that is what it is. Our advice, very dark man, in honest truth, go and do apprenticeship. Go and learn work from Billon.
Hey, VDM.
Yes, yeah, brother. Obasanjo went to school after becoming president. He went back to school. El-Rufai has gone back to school. If you want to understand how the Igbos, network themselves business-wise, but the guy is my boy, since 7 years, then you will know what makes you tick. Thank you and God bless you.
Okay, if you are still watching, click on the like button, drop your comments, share this program to others. Subscribe if you are watching for the first time. God bless you and have a nice